Okay, so let's order textbooks online. Now here's how we will order textbooks for ESL classes this quarter. First, go to Google and type EDCC Bookstore Find Books. The first link that you get will be this one here, Find Textbooks, the Edmond Community College Bookstore. Click on this link. Now, here we are at the College Bookstore website. What we need to do next is follow the next few instructions. Over here it says term, spring 2020. That's what we want, so very good. Now, department. Select department. I will click here and these letters come up. What I need to do is find ESL. So I will scroll down. English. ESL, here we are. So I'll click here. Now, I am going to show you in this example how to buy books for a level 5 class, but your process will be the same thing. You just need to put in the level that you need and the class that you need. I'll explain. So here under course, it says select course. I will click here. Now I'll scroll down to 50 because my class is level 5. Click here. Now here it says select section. What is the section? The section is the item number that you used when you registered for the class online. So if I click here, I can see these 5 different item numbers. It is very important that you know the item number for your class. Now I'm going to select this one because I want the books for the 530 class for level 5. So that number is 3580. So I'll click on that. Now here, we've got everything we need. Spring 2020, ESL, Course 50, and Section 3580. Now, what's next? What's next is to click here, Find Materials for One Course. So I'll click here. And it says the names of my books. So Beyond True Stories Level 5 with Access and English in Action 4 with Workbook. So here it says select format, so I'll click here and I'll click new. Here I'll click new. And then it says add 2 items to the cart at the bottom. So I'll click here. And then the rest is just like buying anything online. Here is the total. I'll click check out. I'm going to say no thank you for this. And then I can either create an account or continue as a guest. For me today, I'm going to continue as a guest. I enter my name, my last name, my email address, my phone number. I am a student. Ship to my address. Then I will enter my address here. Then click continue. And then I will go on to pay for the book. So that is the way that you can select your books to study for spring quarter of 2020. Good luck!